Hello everyone. Today let's talk about the minimum viable product concept in lean startup. Explore the minimum viable product concept in lean startup, highlighting its importance in rapid prototyping, user feedback, and marketing validation. Historically, background of MVP concept. In early 2010s, MVP popularized MVP as a part of the lean startup methodology, influencing product development. Before early, before early 2010s, root of MVP. The idea of launching simplified product to test market viability to existed before Rise formalized it. In 2010s, lean startup movement emerges. The lean startup movement arose due to high startup failures rates in tech and advocating for rapid learnings. In 2010s, shift to agile practices and startup and shifted for traditional waterfall methodologies to practice improving adaptability. Facilitating rapid learning, MVP allowed business to pivot based on customer feedback, enhancing product market fit. Evolution of the minimum viable product. Exploring the historical growth of MVP in startups. Initially, a definition of MVP. Originally, MVP was viewed as the minimal feature needed for launch, focusing on user value. MVP evolved to prioritize delivering real value to users and solving their problems. Core feature identification. Identifying an essential feature helps address primary customer issues effectively. Feedback gathering. Gathering user feedback is crucial for refining the product post launch. Rapid interaction importance. The MVP approach emphasizes quickly learning and adjustment based on user interactions. Emergence of MLP and MMP. Concepts like minimum viable product and minimum marketable product extends MVP's focus. Integration into product strategies. MVP is now a core part of broader product development strategies for startups. Distinctions between MVP, MLP, and MMP. Understanding the value propositions of each approach. Product type, focus, key features, purpose. Minimum viable product (MVP), core functionalities. Focusing on core functionalities, key features are basic needs of customers. Purpose are validate product ideas. Minimum viable product (MLP). Focus on user delight. Key features are features that the engage users, enhance customer satisfaction. Minimum marketable product (MMP), focusing on customers' commercial viability. Key features are essential features for marketing launch, ensure successful entry into the market. Unlocking the power of MVP for success. Discover MVPs enhance your product development, reduce the time and cost. Focusing on essential features can cut product developing cycles by 30%. Validate business ideas. Testing the hypothesis with MVPs is lead to 50% increase in idea validation success rate. Facilitates marketing adoptions. MVPs allow to quickly pivot based on users' feedback, improving product alignment with market demands. The build, measure, learn cycle, understanding the lean startup methodology. Develop the minimum viable product. Startup by creating MVP that address core customers' problem with essential features. Learn, analyze, and adapt. As use collected data to decide whether to pivot, preserve, or iterate or before product market fit. Measure collect user data. Analyze your engagement through service analytics and feedback to evaluate the MVP's performance. Case studies of successful MVPs. Exploring MVP success stories from leading companies. Dropbox of MVP's launch strategy. Dropbox effectively guaranteed interest with a simple video showcasing core functionality before launch. Airbnb's initially a testing phase. Airbnb tested its concept with a basic website, iterating based on user feedback to enhance the platform. Zopus innovative retail approach. Wipos tested the online shoe retailing without inventory refining. It's a model based on customer insights. Navigate challenges in MVP strategy. Misunderstanding the MVP concept. Confusing MVP with a poorly designed product can lead to user dissatisfaction. Focusing on delivering real value. Insufficient market research. Lack of understanding the target audience can result in ineffective MVPs. Conduct through market research. Feedback overload. Exclusive feedback complicates decision making. Set color metrics to evaluate and streamline the learning process. Emerging trends in MVP development. Analyzing the future landscape of MVP strategies. AI enhanced product iteration efficiency. Sustainable is becoming essential in product design. User centric design is crucial for emotional engagement. Embrace the MVP approach for success. Adapt the minimum viable product strategy to enhance innovation, reduce risks, and achieve product success in your